Welcome back, my friends, to the truth about the Tello. This is pack number 4, and today I'll figure out how many pictures can you take realistically with one battery. Activate, throw, and go. And oh yeah, every single time you start this thing you have to change the picture settings to high. It doesn't save that. Great. Then fly up and try to line up the shot, which is not as easy because it's hard to see the display in the sun, and also the video connection is so laggy that it's just hard to turn it where you want to take the picture. The dynamic range of the camera is not very good, so when you point it towards the sun there will be a lot of darkness in the picture. So if you want to take selfies or dronies of yourself, but no one should be able to see your face, just have the sun in the back, take a picture, and you'll be just like a dark patch in the image. Pictures look a lot better when you have the sun behind the camera. There's almost zero wind today, which makes it a lot easier to take straight pictures. All the pictures I'm showing you in this video, they're completely unedited. I just take them as they come from my Google Photos sync and drop them into the video timeline. I turn the Tello off when I walk from one spot to the other, and every time you turn it back on, you have to change the image settings again. It just doesn't save them. Okay, let's take a droney with the quad being between me and the sun. Okay, over there, and picture. Looks pretty good, I'd say. This goes into my family album so that I have something to remember home when I go on holidays. Here's one facing into the other direction along the cliff face. And then let me come a little closer, take a picture of the village with the cliff kind of framing it. Let's see how that works out. Yeah, around here. And there's one more in the other direction. So that is how far I walked today. From there I went back and took another couple of pictures on the way back. And to sum it up, I was walking for around 30 to 40 minutes. I've launched the Tello around 5 to 6 times for 1 to 2 minutes each, and I took around 25 pictures along the way. It always takes a few attempts to get the right picture, so I would say around 5 quick outings. Throw it out there, fly it up, get the picture, and take 2 or 3 more for good measure, and then come back as fast as you can, and you get around 5 or 6 flights out of it per battery. When I checked for batteries online, the only place that I've seen who said that they have them in stock, they were $30 each plus $20 shipping. Yeah, I hope they come down in price a little bit, because I think I need a few more batteries for this thing. Speaking of batteries, this was pack number 4 through the Tello, and in pack number 5 I'll show you how to put a new motor in case you lost one. See you later.